Ka Train Nurses Association of India Meghalaya State Branch menta ka sngi thoding ka khatsau tarik naitung ara jarak paulai kalayo ban pen Kut Noh ya ka Jingïakynduhlang jongki kabala tip kum ka Biennial State SNI Conference 2023 halor ka phang pedeng kabala bu Empowering Nursing Students Prospect of Challenges kabala penlong hakon vocation hall Nehu ya ketika program kabala sedang ka khatwe tarik naitung ara jarak paulai bala penya ya ka da Bethany School of Nursing lapen Kut Noh ha ka khatsau tarik naitung ara jarak paulai ha kabala danlang ha ka sngi ka kong lengdo kabade ka joint director jongka nursing kalalong kum ka kongsan ka kong bi thaba deputy director kum ka kongsan nolor kiwi de ha kini kisau sngi lenter jongka neka program layo ban penlong ke Jingïakop ki baper balai shi menta shirham da ki Samla Pule nursing na keleng ki Jaka ba district na po ka Jylla kentu kan theba shenrang ha ka ba ha ka neka sngi kut layo ban sam ki Khusnam nam job lemba ki momento ki trofi ki medal adu ki sernot ka jing tmu man penlong ke neka program Jingïakynduhlang jong baro ki Samla Pule nursing kalong banang penyajan hapdeng jongki banon ka Jingïa bar ka Jingïatrylang.
The theme of the conference is Empowering Nursing Students, Prospect and Challenges is a very appropriate one. Nursing is not merely a profession, it is a vocation that demands compassion, empathy and dedication. Your presence and care can provide solace, hope and healing in times of great adversity. You have the opportunity to be the difference that transforms lives, and that is a responsibility not to be taken lightly. Nursing education equips you with the knowledge and skills necessary to provide excellent care. However, true empowerment comes from within. It comes from the belief in your ability, the confidence to make critical decisions, and the courage to advocacy. Your voice matters and your action can change lives. The nursing profession, as you all know, has always had a strong presence in the society, and it will continue to grow and evolve with the change of times. The role of nurses in society also has evolved over the years, from being solely responsible for patient care to also taking on managerial roles and leadership positions.